Hi, welcome back. And in this video, we will do a SAT algebra question. It is a word problem, and we will try to solve it within the given time frame. You will have a question, and there will be a timer. Try to complete it as soon as possible. And after the question, there will be explanation of the question. If you want to jump through the chapters, you can just look at the description. I have given timestamps. Let us read the question first. Katrina is a botanist studying the production of pears by two types of pear trees. See, notice that type A, let us just make two columns, type A and type B. Type A, trees produce 20% more. This is important statement in the question. 20% more. 20% more. So A produces 20% more here compared to B. Based on the Katrina's observation, if the type A produced 144 pairs, so let us assume that X is the number produced by type B, then 20% more of this value is equal to 20% of X plus X. We are given the value of A in this case, which is 144. So this equals 144. So let us solve this equation actually. So here is what it becomes when we expand it. X plus X equals 144. So 21, 5. So X divided by 5 plus X equals 144, 5 X. So 5X here. If you have any confusion regarding how I do these calculations, you can ask in the comment section and I can try to explain you how it is done. It is pretty basic mathematics, so I assume that you know these things. So 6x divided by 5 is equal to 144. This equals 244 multiplied by 5 divided by 6. So I just changed just to make clear, I will just expand it. So 6x will be equal to 144 multiplied by 5, and x will be equal to 144 by 5 divided by 6. So here x equals this value. So if you just use calculator, because this is from the calculator section of the SAT exam, so you can just use the calculator, or you can just divide it but it is best to use calculator in this case. So it just solves to 120. I did the calculation. This is 120, and the option B is the correct answer for this question.